Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today's GK facts. Which country is called the most intelligent country in the world? Option A, America. B, China. C, India. D, Hong Kong. Answer is D, Hong Kong. Which fruit contains 85% of this water? Option A, orange. B, coconut. C, watermelon. D, mango. Answer is A, orange. Which is the bird that lays the most eggs? Option A, ostrich. B, parrot. C, pigeon. D, cuckoo. Answer is ostrich. A, ostrich. Which animal breathes through tongue? Option A, tiger. B, snake. C, giraffe. D, monkey. Answer is B, snake. What can a person die by eating with milk? Option A, cucumber. B, apple. C, radish. D, papaya. Answer is C, radish. Which country first discovered the corona vaccine? Option A, America. Option B, India. Option C, China. Option D, Russia. Answer is option D, Russia. How much time does it take to sing India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Option A, 52 seconds. Option B, 45 seconds. Option C, 65 seconds. Option D, 50 seconds. Answer is option A, 52 seconds. Which part of the human body contains 75% of water? Option A, hand. Option B, brain. Option C, kidney. Option D, liver. Answer is option B, brain. Where is green rose found? Option A, America. Option B, China. Option C, Japan. Option D, Bahrain. Answer is option C, Japan. Which animal's brain waves the most? Option A, elephant. Option B, lion. Option C, giraffe. Option D, horse. Answer is option A, elephant.